Want to temporarily disable threads? Then you're on the right video. Today I'll be showing you the step-by-step process on how you can temporarily disable your thread account. First thing first, you need to head over to your application thread. Enter your login credential and make sure you are logged in into your specific account you want to disable. Once you are in the home page, head over to your profile at the bottom right corner. Tap on this tool line at the top right. You need to head over to Account Center. Once you're inside the Account Center, head over to Manage Accounts at the very bottom. Select your thread account. Click on Deactivation or Deletion. Simply select Deactivate account and tap on Continue. Select Continue. Choose any of the reason from here. Once you've selected, tap on Continue once again. After that, you have to create a password for your thread account. Once you have created the password, simply enter the password in the section you are asked to. After that, you have to click on Deactivate. After that, your account will be disabled. And if you do not log in into your account before 30 days, your account will be deleted permanently. So make sure to log in before 30 days. That's the end of the video. If this video really helped you, give it a like and check out our next tutorial. Thank you.